my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be taking you guys through my closet and other places that I keep my clothes, and also give you guys some organization tips on how I keep my closet clean. I have 3 tips for you guys today, and before I take you guys around my room, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. So my closet is in a little crevice in my room. It's like a mini hallway, and it's like, basically, is this a walk-in closet? Is that what I would call this? A walk-in closet? I think it's a walk-in closet. Let me just give you guys a camera shot of what this looks like. This is where my closet begins. It just looks like this. Just a normal walk-in closet. And at the bottom, we just have shoes. So the first organization tip that I have for you guys is getting rid of old clothes. I think this is like the most important one, just because if you have clothes that you don't wear, clothes that are too small for you, clothes that you're just keeping just because, your closet is going to be so cluttered and it's going to be so hard for you to find anything. That's where you get into the state of chaos where you're like, oh my god, I have nothing to wear, because you're so overwhelmed when you're looking at your closet. And a bonus tip here is to do that when you're moving. It helps when you're moving because you're already packing up clothes and you can just go through and like select a bunch of clothes that you don't want, which is what I happened to do when I first moved to this place. I've been here for like about a month. This is going to be my 2nd month, so I got rid of most of my clothes then, but I didn't get rid of everything because I was like, I might wear this. So today we're gonna go through and see what we can find. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna go through my dresses that I have. I have a lot of going out stuff, and once I wear going out stuff, I don't really wear it again. If I wear it for Instagram, I'm like, everybody's seen it, why else am I gonna wear it? This dress I've had for a while. When you're looking for clothes to get rid of, think of things that have been in your closet for a long time that you only wore once or twice and you know you're never gonna wear it again, or you haven't touched it in like 6 months maybe, because that's a long time. Right now I'm just gonna pick out some stuff that I know I haven't worn in a long time.
You say you want it, you say you need it, you say you love it, so come and treat it. From the morning till the evening, I give you something to believe in. My body's calling, my body's feeling, been waiting on it, it wasn't easy.
So personally, I like to do 2 things with my clothing. Give some stuff away to my younger siblings, or I like to sell it on a selling app. And I'm just going to briefly show you guys how I use Poshmark to resell the old clothes that I don't want. And if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's like a buying and selling app, so you can buy clothes on there and you can also sell them. In app, when you're about to make a listing, you can go ahead and like take a picture of the item right then and there, but I just like to take all of my pictures at once, so I'm just going to use my camera.
Yo, I've been jogging to get these bands up. Man got a problem, I'll get our man touched. Back of the rave.
So as you guys saw, I had the 2 dresses, and then also I picked out just like some joggers that I don't want to wear anymore. These are just a pair of white ones that I've literally never worn before. A pair of jeans that I've also never worn. So mostly on my closet, it's going to be stuff that I've only worn one time or never worn at all. All of this stuff is going to be available for you guys to shop on my closet. My closet name is Angwi, Tacho, and you guys can follow me on there. Now we're going to move on to step number 2, getting additional storage. Personally, I don't like to put bins underneath my bed, and the kind of additional storage I have is a dresser, a shoe thing, and a clothing rack. The reason I got a shoe rack instead of just putting things in my closet is just because having your shoes all laid out on the ground doesn't really show them off really well. It can actually give your room a more fashiony vibes. I can just look at all my heels at one time and just pick out what shoe is gonna match my outfit, and it just makes things really, really easy. This particular shoe rack is from IKEA. It only cost me $25. The only downside is that everything from IKEA, you have to assemble it. So I got one of my guy friends to help me do that. Of course, you know me, I wasn't going to do that, so I got one of them to help me. So I decided to color coordinate my shoes kind of, and well, the best I could really. So I have some black ones up there, and red to gold to nude from white. That doesn't look very matchy, but it still looks okay. And then I just ended it off with black at the bottom. So this is what it looks like, and in my room, that's what it will look like. It just makes my room look so much better and so much cuter. And I added in this rug too, which is also from IKEA. So that's what I did with my heels. The rest of my shoes, as I showed you guys earlier, are down here. these are where I keep my heels that are not open-toed. So I still wanted to put those in my closet, but if I had all of my heels in here, it would just look a mess. Having a dresser in your room helps you out 1000%, because in my last room I didn't have a dresser. That means that I would have to hang up everything. Your hanging space is just going to be way more cluttered than it should be, and it's going to be hard to find stuff. And then moving on from my dresser, this is the last bit of storage that I have in my room concerning clothes. It is this clothing rack right here. And this clothing rack is actually from Amazon. It was only $15. And it's really easy self-assembly. I got another guy to do this one, but I could have put this one together myself. And on here, I just keep pieces that are gonna look pretty in my room. Also pieces that when I get a new package, I would just hang up some of the pieces here, just because I know I have to wear these soon, and like I want to remember what Instagram collab is next. But right now, because I wore all this stuff for my last collab, I just put some black, white, and nude pretty basic colors out here just to give my room a really nice vibe. Like if that wasn't there, like I don't know, I think it would be kind of empty. So all my additional storage together is this clothing rack, $15, this dresser, and I bargained for this dresser for $40. And then the last additional storage piece I have is this shoe shelf organization. So the last step I have for you guys is to put like pieces together. In this corner I have some long blazer coats, I guess is what I would call them, and I just keep them in the corner just because it's not winter yet and all my jackets are over here. So these are back here. A little bit of quarter coordination here. Just put the nudes together. This jean jacket should go with the other jean jackets. Two olive green jackets. And I keep my two leather jackets here. I might put one of them up on Poshmark. Why do I really need two leather jackets?
Oh, we got another one.
When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy.
So as you guys can see, I didn't really do too much. I didn't really change the top because those are just jeans and they were already organized, but the bottom definitely looks a lot better. Like I just really color coordinated a little bit and put liked pieces together. Sweaters over here, then transitioning to more active wear, to some bodysuits, and then things like that. And then in this dress area, I just did like red in the front, white, and then this beige color, and then all the way to black. This definitely does look better, putting pieces that go together with each other. Okay, so that is the end of this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed any of those tips. Comment down below which tip you found helpful. You guys can also download Poshmark for free through the link in the description and shop my closet. Feel free to comment your username if you have a Poshmark, and you guys can all shop each other's Poshmarks. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do, leave them down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.